So, here's something interesting for anyone thinking about getting into RV life or upgrading their current setup. The Surveyor Legend 205RKLE. It's part of Forest River's more affordable range, but once you take a closer look, it really doesn't feel like an entry-level trailer at all. Choosing the right RV can be a bit of a headache these days. There are just so many options out there. What this model tries to do is make that decision easier by combining smart design, useful features, and a layout that actually makes sense for everyday use. For starters, it's about 27 feet long, which keeps it manageable, but it still feels open inside thanks to a slide out in the living area. And where this trailer really shines is in how it uses both indoor and outdoor space. One of the standout features is the tailgate setup outside. It basically creates a mini hangout zone at your campsite, complete with bar-style seating, a pass-through window, outlets, speakers, and even space for cooking with a griddle and a cooler fridge. It's clearly built for relaxing and entertaining. Inside, you've got another clever feature called the Bar 2 table. It starts off as a simple breakfast bar, but it extends into a full dining table that can seat 4 people. It's a really smart way to maximize space without making things feel cramped. When you step in, you're right in the living area, which is designed for comfort. The slide-out holds theater-style seating, and one of the seats folds down into a center console with cup holders and extra surface space. There are also swivel tables on either side, making it a great spot to kick back with snacks and watch TV. Speaking of that, the TV is mounted above the indoor bar and can swivel depending on where you're sitting. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're actually using the space. The kitchen runs along the rear and offers more room than you'd expect in a trailer this size. You get a deep sink, a 3-burner cooktop, microwave, oven, and a good-sized fridge. There's also plenty of storage, and the cabinets come with soft close hinges, which adds a bit of a premium feel. At the very back, there's a compact but well-designed bathroom with a vanity, backlit mirror, toilet, and a step-up shower with built-in shelves. The finishes match the kitchen, so everything feels nicely put together. Up front is the bedroom, featuring a true queen bed with storage underneath and wardrobes on both sides. There are also small shelves with cup holders and power outlets right within reach, which is one of those little things you'll really appreciate over time. In terms of capability, this trailer is built for more than just quick weekend trips. It has an enclosed and heated underbelly, plus heated tanks, so it's better suited for different weather conditions. The water capacities are solid too, making it practical for longer stays. You do get a couple of options if you want to customize it a bit. You can swap the theater seats for a pull-out sofa to increase sleeping space, or add a second AC unit in the bedroom. As for price, it generally sits around the $40,000 mark, depending on where you buy it and what extras you choose. For everything it offers, it's definitely a strong contender in this category. If you're after a travel trailer that's compact but still packed with thoughtful features, this one is definitely worth a closer look.